business. Can't look away, business. To help my brother, that's my business. Can't turn my back on my business. To help my sister, that's my business. Can't look away. You ever stop to think how life would have be if you could? Now and you don't have a home. Not even a cold for put on you cold to the bone. Now and you hold it alone. Never we out here see still say we had got a lot, but still I complain a lot. Some man change clothes every day, every weekend. Them gone buy them girl a frack. Brother sister sick with the season, you still use the money and I buy the coke and crack. Change your car every month like the way them other people. That's over you a fast and nice and rock business. To help my brother, that's my business. Can't turn my back on my business.
Pull up, select,
to help my sister, social media for them, the memo you fi send, Ricky Stereo and the governor want them. The memo you're about to receive coming straight from heaven, heaven. The argument up like Satan coming straight from heaven, heaven. The memo you're about to receive coming straight from heaven, heaven. The argument up like Satan coming straight from heaven. Excuse me please, I would like to say a word. Maybe you weren't paying attention, probably you never heard. The crazy things we do, that's absurd. So face the mirror, around your lines the truth figured. Well, me not gonna be judged nor condemn. Speak the truth, you know, see that the world in a problem. One not think twice, we betray them friend. Honesty, loyalty, them words not exist again. The memo you're about to receive coming straight from heaven, heaven. The argument up like Satan coming straight from heaven, heaven. The memo you're about to receive coming straight from heaven, heaven. The argument up like Satan coming straight from heaven. Melody, get to the root and find the truth. No delay, we full of bad mind. Go vicious and envy till we grey of antivirus, the bad mind. And not to the day, and we download the apps to keep the evil away. So the every bad mind and hit up that in the spray. How much Canada could have walk with a day? When one done the next one right away, you go back and forth, crash up like we are on pen relay. The memo you're about to receive coming straight from heaven, heaven. The argument up like Satan coming straight from heaven, heaven. The memo you're about to receive coming straight from heaven, heaven. The argument up like Satan coming straight from heaven. To make the green and do anything for profit. Who can crack down all human and traffic on the street? You face a matic, then we click it from your pocket. Corruption in high places, they have like a rocket. Hold on a little bit, yeah, baby, just tell me Ricky Stereo. If they're not up on the internet, TV and radio, all over the world, we see all the terror and the starvation of flow. Climate change, no hoax, and this is real, don't you know? The memo you're about to receive coming straight from heaven, heaven. The argument up like Satan coming straight from heaven, heaven. The memo you're about to receive coming straight from heaven, heaven. The argument up like Satan coming straight from heaven. The memo you're about to receive. Ricky Stereo said the memo you're about to receive. The governor said memo you're about to receive. Coming straight from heaven, 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 heaven. Stitchie and Millie, SOS to the Almighty, yeah.
Millie and Stitchie, SOS to the Almighty, whoa.
Emergency, call the doc. What's the diagnosis? And that's what me say, emergency.
the sharp knife. Load the coke and load the crack pipe. All them a do a brainwash and take life. And tax people who can't even afford lies. Some of them are robbers, some of them are thief, cause them nah have no choice. Tired of the empty promises and them lies. Distract them minds so them nah realize. And the devil them a follow but them shoulda pre-Christ.
Stitchie and Millie, SOS to the Almighty.
Make them know. Billy and Stitchie, SOS to the Almighty. Boy.
Emergency, call the doc. What's the diagnosis? And some is emergency, treatment needed. What kind of sickness is this?
Hey, emergency. Can't you see we need a doctor? Emergency. More and more I lose them.
Financial crisis that the bank them a deal with. Civilians chopping a war and never started. Oil price out a reach in winter, people freeze. And 1,000 a dying of the summer from heat. Children a die from disease and a get no health care. That way them get the money for support nuclear. The abolition of slavery plan 1833. You have your degree and your master still no have no salary. Emergency, call the doc. What's the diagnosis? And as some is the emergency, treatment needed. What kind of sickness is this? Oh, Stitchie and Millie, SOS to the Almighty.
Billy and Stitchie, SOS to the Almighty. Boy.
Stitchie and Millie, SOS to the Almighty.
Yeah. Billy and Stitchie, SOS to the Almighty. Boy.
Let's get ready to rumble.
Tell us what you say, Stitchie. Tell us what you say, Stitchie. Tell us what you say, Stitchie. Tell us what you say. Weak men know those who they are. You know not who they are. They're afraid of themselves, so they stay far. Yeah. So far. Find excuse to persecute the youth, yeah. But if they knew themselves, they would know the truth. Know the truth. Tired for say me broke. I know dollars not one. Dollars have to running on me palm. I walk me waffy walk. So much tell me hold on. Dollars have to running on me palm. Tired for say me broke. I know dollars not one. Dollars have to running on me palm. I walk me waffy walk. So much tell me hold on. Dollars have to running on me palm. Me a talk them no hear me. Them have me as the monster and the whole of them fear me. Them drive a past to get to them now I come near me. I want paintbrush them want to use and smear me. No spear me like paper want tear me. Them a go and like them clean but them a liar. Well if I get to you part them like we raise a wire. Can't put the pot a fire. Get them put the file for higher. Tell them you sorry cause you have the wrong attire. When I walk me want to go. That they let me have to blow. Me whistle for all about. No one a finish no so slow. AC on and window up. Driving past me them a know. Matter of time before me rise. Could never keep me stuck. Alright I know me broke. I know dollars not one. Dollars have to running on me palm. I walk me waffy walk. So no tell me hold on. Dollars have to running on me palm. I have to say me broke. I know dollars not one. Dollars have to running on me palm. I walk me waffy walk. So no tell me hold on. Dollars have to running on me palm. Enough application and resume me sending them to shut up and throw that in the trash. Hey, them look at me address and say them now make me come in. Them say that this I get to you to rush. Them never look at me qualification. Me never once visit police station. But them here say me come from Spanish town, from Donald John's road, and them don't write me off as a gunman. Them a behave like them a the FBI and start run background check pan eye. Me have me links at high spend and me know the Dela cool and them not trust all me friend them from whole road right. I know me broke. I know dollars not one. Dollars have to running on me palm. I walk me waffy walk. So no tell me hold on. Dollars have to running on me palm. Alright, I know me broke. I know dollars not one. Dollars have to running on me palm. I walk me waffy walk. So no tell me hold on. Dollars have to running on me palm. Months me in a white shirt, I look job for hustle. Them no hire me. Them things say me I look so movie scuffle. Today a Friday and me can't go home with nothing. Me we swing 2 bucket, me we push 2 shovel. No afraid to live up, see me no very carry black. If I see you have a members, say we do that for the cash. Boss, you're busy, but I hope you're hearing. I want some ref by your baby chin a feeding. What if the position reverse and you did in my shoes? Boss, man, where you would expect me to do? Hungry man, just hungry and I look a little food. And even if it is a one day me ask that I feel you right on me broke. I know dollars not one. Dollars have to running on me palm. I walk me waffy walk. So no tell me hold on. Dollars have to running on me palm. I have to say me broke. I know dollars not one. Dollars have to running
TS1 on Spreaker.com.
So free up, no free up on no mind. Forward man, I move long time. Time.
That's the last one of the Masterclass album.
Signs of the time. Stitchie so free up, no free up on no mind.
And over to the Top Boy selection.
Nothing to my talk and I spread the rumor and I try to stop for long.
The V8 twist.
Rise and listen to the higher we climb. Them coming like spider and cobweb. Don't let them touch your mind. Them always hear you till you well want you lose your shine. But bless some birds from heaven to earth so them can't cause me line. Me know me father me word them so they never hurt them better resign. Well none of them are schemers and deceivers. We live in design. But to the Father place no man curse. So free your mind. Free up. Who no free up who no mind. Don't be scared of the signs of the times. Stitchie so free up. Who no free up who no mind. Forward man I move long time. I time. Free up. Who no free up who no mind. Now man I be scared of the signs of the times. Stitchie so free up. Who no free up who no mind. Forward man I move long time. This the rice, this the Japanese sushi. Me live it up paper rapid like the Israeli Uzi. Stitchie them could I never stop. Me lyrics with your heart accurate like an Austrian clock. Lieutenant Stitchie in my clap like an A47. Can't stop lyrics are ringing in your ears like church bell. Me argument I hit you like one out of the askel. Free up, no free up on no mind. Don't be scared for the signs of the times. Stitchie so free up, who no free up who no mind. Forward man I move long time. High time. Free up, who no free up who no mind. No matter be scared for the signs of the times. Stitchie so free up, who no free up who no mind. Forward man I move long time. Watch out now. Never them are scared and they know what to think and they never control their mind. Like 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9. Dog and number same time. Everyone feel themselves like a bag on a shelf. Every man they mean man the kind. But how they love them, they don't know that at all. But the moral for lose the decline. None of them never know Christ produce when he take another good wine. So when them touch you like a grape, tell them that it's fine. So when them put you in a buckle for ferment, that's a good sign. You're getting stronger every time. Free up with no mind. Don't be scared for the signs of the time. Stitchie so free up, who no free up with no mind. Forward man now move long time. I tell her. Free up, who no free up with no.
This is Sugar Bear representing for TS1 Reggae Radio, Middlesbrough. Look out for Reggae Fest Part 2. It's gonna be live. Yo, hey! Pretty. Hot girls come true. It's all about you. Dance all night. You want your hot girls crew. Girls, I me see you, me a steer. Me skin catch a fire when you're near. Girl, your hot scream. Oh, let me hear Rayvon alongside Sugar Bear. TS1 Reggae Radio. This is Sugar Bear. Yo, hey! Middlesbrough. Look out for Reggae Fest Part 2. Friday, October the 18th. Everybody, forward! Sugar Bear said that. Love.
She's getting it ready. Wanna send it to Freddy. No lie, we don't spend on the Jazzy. 30 racks that I spend on the Prezi. We be stepping in Fendi, we're spending the 20. The woman, she'll never forget me. My youngin' in black, messy. Yeah, I just got the whap in heavy. Them drops are holding horses. I got this coat imported. No, I didn't drop in Europe. Lots of touring out on the street. Them shoes that's down by my feet, I got them now, but they're out in a week. 4 Phoreins, we're out in the fleet. Niggas rolling, I round up the team, listen. Yeah, my youngins are jogging, doing their thing. Food in the cling.